Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the coolest and most useful gadgets. Today, we're reviewing 3 Amazon must-haves you'll absolutely love. Whether you're tackling laundry, craving better sleep, or beating the summer heat, I've got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an awesome video like this. And yes, the links to all these products are in the description below. So let's get started. First up, the FADSKKJ Portable Washing Machine. Compact yet powerful, this 15L mini washer is perfect for apartments, dorms, or even RVs. With 3 cleaning modes and a foldable design, it's incredibly space-saving and versatile. Whether it's baby clothes, underwear, or small items, it provides deep cleaning and semi-automatic operation. A top loader with push-button controls, this little wonder makes laundry so easy and convenient. Trust me, this is a game-changer for small space living. Next, meet the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones. It's not just a sleep mask, it's a relaxation tool. This soft, washable mask features built-in Bluetooth 5.2 headphones for a seamless music experience. With 14+ hours of battery life, it's perfect for side sleepers, travelers, or anyone who wants a peaceful night. The adjustable strap ensures it fits everyone. Imagine listening to your favorite playlist while drifting off into complete darkness. Pure bliss. And finally, the 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. Compact and energy efficient, this mini cooler is perfect for bedrooms, desktops, or living rooms. With adjustable fan speeds, dual fog settings, and powerful cooling, it keeps you comfortable without skyrocketing electricity bills. Lightweight and easy to move, it's a summer essential for staying refreshed wherever you are. So, there you have it. 3 amazing gadgets to simplify your life and keep you comfortable. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these gems.